Available as part of the Osmo Pocket expansion kit as well as an individual unit if you prefer, DJI's accessory mount opens up a range of new possibilities for your Osmo Pocket. Constructed of a very tough plastic, which is also rather thick to make the unit as robust as possible, upon first glance the accessory mount is a rather basic unit in design. With some simple DJI branding on the front, we find a GoPro ecosystem mount on the rear, and that's all this mount provides. This single mounting point on the rear, although that's enough to add a ton more versatility to the Pocket. On one side we find the unit's clamping mechanism. On first glance one may assume we pull up on the clamp, but instead we pull up on the opposite side, indicated with a single arrow, and this releases the clamp, allowing the unit to open with a single hinge design. On the inside we find rubber inserts ensuring the Osmo Pocket is not scratched or marked in any way, as well as maintaining a tight grip at the same time. When it comes to installing the mount, we need to begin by removing anything you have connected to the Osmo's accessory port. Whether it's the smartphone connector or even the plain blanking plate, the port has to be completely free of any objects. Reason being, notches on the inside of the mount line up and grab the accessory port, ensuring the unit is attached in the correct location, as well as eliminating the possibility of it sliding up or down the Osmo. Once in place, close the clamp and we're ready to attach the Osmo to the range of mounting options in the GoPro mounting ecosystem, making the mounting possibilities pretty much endless. At the same time, the Osmo's functional buttons, as well as the status LED and microphone, are free and fully accessible. Range of motion can be restrictive depending on mounts used, but with some creativity you'll be able to shoot some steady footage from some unique angles. So points to bear in mind. The first is that a smartphone or any other accessory can't be attached to the Osmo's accessory port while this mount is attached. So you really need to use the Osmo in its standalone form or remotely with the wireless module attached, which we'll look at in another video. Another point to note is that the memory card slot is covered, so you'll want to ensure you have an adequately sized memory card in place before attaching the accessory mount. Otherwise, it's a pretty decent accessory, although there are some arguably better third-party solutions available too, like the Polar Pro Action mount, with its added versatility thanks to several mounting points. If you're only after a basic mount though, the DJI accessory mount works really well. Mix it with other accessories such as the wireless module and it's even better.